feeling words do you guys know? Anybody know any feeling words?
No.
What do you think, Lincoln?
Mad.
Mad. Mad is a feeling word. And you know what? Mad is one of our words right here. So what we're going to do is we are going to learn and make, May, you've got a feeling word?
Sad.
Sad. Sad is right there. So what we're going to do today is to make an example so that you guys can all go home and with your grown-ups, with your grown-ups, you can make your own version of this. Because that way, when your lid is just starting to flip, and you know, wait a minute, if I talk about my feelings, if I name my feelings, I can get back to here to solve the problem. If you have all these words already out, then when you're super mad and your grown-up says, oh, how are you feeling right now? Or I have a hunch, right? Then you can go over and you can say, I feel like this, I feel like this. And all the feelings are okay, right? Are all feelings okay in our house? Yeah, always. Okay, all feelings are okay. It's okay to be mad, it's not okay to be mean. So when we read these different words, I want you guys to help me say where to put them. Now, Goose feels frustrated. She's super frustrated. When you are so frustrated, like when you build a tower and then the whole thing comes down, you work so hard on it, which one should we put it in? Mad. Frustrated. It could also be sad, right? And that's the thing, because feelings can go in lots of different places. Should we put them in both, Kane?
Yeah.
Okay. And so when we can say to our grown-ups, I'm feeling really anxious right now, or I feel really worried about, that helps that security guard, that helps you get to a place where you'll feel more content and more cozy and more happy. My heart can feel so many feelings, and yours can too. Today, my heart is proud. How does your heart feel? Real moments are learning moments.